Welcome to Yasmin Khan Skin. This presentation will provide you with a description of your unique skin type and recommendations on how to care for your skin type. If you wish the company to develop a skincare plan for your skin type, you can contact us and we will develop a personal treatment plan for your skin type. With the correct skin diagnosis and a personal treatment plan which may include in-clinic treatment, you can be assured your skin's health will improve, resulting in a more youthful and radiant complexion.
Dry, sensitive, non-pigmented and tight skin are people who are fair-skinned and do not tan well. But sensitivity and dryness are issues as well.
Examining your skin barrier is compromised, which leads to sensitivity. You are prone to suffer from allergies. It is difficult to wear jewelry due to allergy to metal. Rashes may occur where metal touches the skin. Your skin type in detail shows dryness, flaking, scaling and itching. You have sensitivity to skincare ingredients, rashes from costume jewelry. Environmental conditions can dry your skin, including cold weather, dry climate, detergents, pollution, and air travel. Your skincare routine should address repairing the barrier function to stop moisture loss and keep out allergens and irritants. Products that deliver barrier repair will help with inflammation. There are many cost-effective products in the market which will help.
Wash with a non-foaming low pH cleanser. Apply a soothing serum. Spray facial water. Apply eye cream. Optional. Apply a moisturizer. Apply a sunscreen. Apply an SPF foundation. Optional. Wash with a non-foaming low pH cleanser. Apply a soothing serum. Apply eye cream. Optional. Spray facial water. Apply a night cream.